Installation was pretty easy. We started off by hiding our Type-C power cable from the front windshield down the passenger door underneath and plugged it in. Then we applied an electrostatic sticker to the front windshield and attached the suction cup onto that, and then attached the front camera to the suction cup. Then we plugged in the power cord and the long connecting cord. Then we started to hide the long connecting cord from the front windshield to the side doors, all the way to the back window. The pry tool they give you works really well to help you do this easily. Then we went ahead and hid the extra cord in the back window. I like how there's a lot of it, so this could easily work for a bigger car. Then we applied another electrostatic sticker and attached the rear camera onto that and adjusted it to our preference, also hiding the excess cord. After this, you'll need to download the VDeer app and connect your camera through the built-in 5G Wi-Fi that it has to the app. Once you have that installed and connected, the app really does have a lot of cool features that it offers. Some of my favorites is that it stores all your videos and you can easily go back by date and look at them. You can also set the camera into park mode, and there's a lot of settings you can control. For example, the speaker volume. You do get live footage, and you can easily switch from the front to the back camera with one click. The cameras also have a GPS system that's built in, so the app easily tracks your speed as well as your location. I love how good and clear the videos are from both the front and back cameras, and the back camera has actually a larger view, which is really nice. The cameras do also have a 24-hour parking monitoring mode and a night supervision, where it will compress video footage to help save space. But keep in mind, the camera does take a memory card, so if you need more space, you can actually do it that way. And just look at the evening and night footage, just really good quality in general. Overall, I'm very happy with these dual cameras, and I would definitely highly recommend them.